Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sangeeta. In today's video, I am going to share my easy peasy 10 minutes everyday makeup look, and this literally took me 10 minutes to do the entire face. This is I can assure you this is going to be very quick and very minimal step and very beginner friendly as well. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Let's start on a clean face, and I have already done my skin prep. Let's dive into the makeup. And for first step is I like to spray some setting mist or any kind of face mist to get that hydration, and I'm gonna use this MAC Prep Plus Prime to get that hydration. So for primer, I'm gonna apply this Swiss Beauty Real Best Makeup Primer. You guys know how much I love this primer. I always apply this on my face before anything. So I like to take a generous amount and spread it all over my face to get that dewy finish, because I love dewy makeup. So you can blend it with your finger or a brush. I like to use my brush. So I have tiny bit of dark circle and some pigmentation around here. So I'm gonna use this color corrector on my pigmented area. If you don't have any pigmentation, then you can totally skip this step. So because of summer, I have completely stopped using foundation on my skin, and instead of foundation, I'm going to apply this concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, and it is meant to be used on all of your face. So I'm gonna apply it as concealer and foundation. Very tiny amount. I don't like to put a tons of a product on my face on a daily basis. So and I'm gonna use this concealer brush to blend under my eyes. So on a daily basis, I don't like to apply any contour product on my face. So for definition, I'm gonna add some bronzer, and I'm gonna use this Hoola bronzer. So it will give me some definition. So I'm applying right above my cheekbone and a tiny bit on my jawline. So now I'm gonna add some colors to my cheeks, and for that I'm using this Tipsy Beauty blush. Just look at the shape, it is so pretty. I love it. Ooh. So on my eyes, I'm only gonna apply a brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this Huda Naughty Nude palette, and from this palette, my favorite shade is Juicy. This shade over here. I like to apply this on my eyes on a regular basis. ऑल माई लैशेज ये मैं डेली बेसिस में करती हूँ, नो मैटर हाउ बिजी आई एम, बिकॉज लैशेज कर्ल करने से ना बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता है. आई हैव noticed that, and I am doing it on a regular basis. So you can also do this step. So for mascara, I'm gonna use this Colossal mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara, and also this is waterproof, so very appropriate for this summer. So on a daily basis, I don't like to apply too much highlighter, so I'm gonna take a tiny bit of highlighter on my fingertip, and I like to apply on the tip of my nose and breeze like this, and also I'm gonna diffuse it. Then जो थोड़ा सा बचा उसको I'm gonna apply on my brow bone like this, and a tiny amount ऐसे थोड़ा सा on my cheeks. Yeah, that's so Last step is lipstick, and I like to use a brown lip liner and a nude lipstick on a daily basis. So I'm gonna apply this lip liner. This is by Mars Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 04. And for lipstick, I will be using this Love Art Liquid Mousse, and this one is in the shade Pink Lady. Yeah, so this is my everyday makeup routine, very easy peasy and very quick. I can do it within 10 minutes, max 10 minutes. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked in the caption. So bye bye, see you next time.